There is a famous English saying that when you over-celebrate, be ready to over-mourn also. The Bharatiya Janata Party, in its anxiety, indulged in celebration of the Honorable Supreme Court judgment without realizing that the Supreme Court judgment has in fact paved the path for a criminal investigation into the entire Rafale scam. So today, the BJP should not celebrate, but rather let the CBI investigate the Rafale scam without any political pressure. Number two, the Bharatiya Janata Party is working overtime in misconstruing, misinterpreting, and misapplying the Supreme Court judgment to mislead the nation. The three things which are crystal clear from the reading of the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court are: number one, that the Supreme Court has limited jurisdiction to go into the technical questions of pricing, contractual details, technical specifications. Number two, the Supreme Court has made it clear that the independent agencies, specifically the CBI, is fully equipped to undertake all forms of investigation without any restrictions and limitations which are otherwise existent on the court by the virtue of Article 32 of the Constitution. Lastly and most importantly, the BJP conveniently overlooked, conveniently did not read, for the sake of misleading the entire nation, para 86 of the judgment, which in clear terms states, as my learned colleague and senior has read, that the Supreme Court judgment in no way will stand in the way of investigation by the CBI. The Supreme Court has put the ball in the court of independent agencies to investigate the matter and seek sanction under Section 17A of the Prevention of the Corruption Act. Now, three questions which arise. The Indian National Congress, from this platform, on behalf of the people of India, relying on para 73, para 86 of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. Three things we seek and demand. Number one, will the so-called independent investigating agencies, including the CBI, now proceed to investigate the Rafale scam, after the Supreme Court has made it clear that the judgment is no way an impediment in their investigation? Now, will the Bharatiya Janata Party government, the 56-inch government, show the courage to grant the sanction to the CBI or any agencies under Section 17A to prosecute the conspirators of this Rafale scam? Number three, will the Prime Minister and the BJP government now concede to a JPC investigation to fully, in a full-fledged manner, look into the scam by summoning witnesses, by cross-examining witnesses, by verifying documents? The truth of the matter is, till the JPC is ordered, till the JPC verdict is out in the public sphere, the Rafale deal stinks of corruption, crony capitalism, and is a living proof of mockery of Make in India, of murdering transparency in this country. We hope that the verdict will be read in full entirety, in full context, and now the Congress party is also curious to see what excuse will the BJP government and their remote control agency will use to not investigate Rafale after the Supreme Court has made it clear this judgment is not a roadblock to investigate the Rafale scam.